The Sony Bravia Theater Bar 9 stands out as an emblematic soundbar designed to deliver an immersive and cinematic audio experience, especially ideal for movies and games. While it boasts impressive spatial sound capabilities, it's a premium product with certain characteristics that potential buyers should consider. The Bar 9 impresses with an elegant, subtle, and more practical design compared to its predecessors. Its rounded front corners and fabric cover allow it to discreetly blend into any room. Connectivity options are varied, including HDMI arc-out, one HDMI 2.1 input, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.2, alongside support for Apple AirPlay 2 and Spotify Connect. The soundbar decodes all major surround sound formats, such as Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, and IMAX Enhanced, and supports high-resolution audio and 360 reality audio. A notable feature is its S-Center output, which allows compatible Sony Bravia TVs to function as a center channel speaker, enhancing spatial audio imaging. The soundbar itself integrates no less than 13 speaker units, including woofers, tweeters, up-firing speakers, and beam tweeters, all working together to create a vast and detailed soundstage. The Sony Bravia Theater Bar 9 is not just an elegant soundbar, but also a sophisticated audio hub designed to offer an exceptional auditory experience, especially for cinematic content and video games. This performance is made possible by an impressive array of integrated sound technologies and extensive compatibility with a multitude of cutting-edge audio formats. The heart of the Bar 9's audio innovation is 360 spatial sound mapping. This remarkable technology utilizes the 13 speaker units integrated into the bar and an advanced algorithm to generate up to 5 phantom speakers around the listener. By reflecting sound off the ceiling and walls, the system creates a completely immersive sound bubble that makes you feel like sound is coming from all directions, even from a single physical unit. If you add optional rear speakers, such as the SA, RS5, or SA, RS3, the system's capability extends to creating up to 11 phantom speakers, further amplifying the sense of spatiality and immersion. Some critics consistently praise its wide and precise spatial audio sound field, superior clarity, rich detail, and powerful impact, making sound seem to come from various directions, even from single bar. Dialogue is generally clear and well-balanced. To further optimize this experience, Sony has included sound field optimization. This intelligent function automatically calibrates the soundbar's audio based on the specific acoustic characteristics of your room. By detecting the size and shape of the space, the Bar 9 fine-tunes each speaker to ensure the best possible surround experience, regardless of where you're seated in the room. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. A major benefit for owners of compatible Sony Bravia TVs is the S-Center Out function, also known as acoustic center sync. This allows the soundbar to use your TV's speakers as an additional center channel, perfectly integrating the sound from the TV with that produced by the soundbar. The result is improved dialogue clarity and precise alignment of voices with on-screen action, creating a more coherent audiovisual experience. However, a frequently mentioned aspect is the soundbar's bass performance when used independently. While it provides satisfying weight to the action and is an improvement over some built-in TV speakers, adding an optional wireless Sony subwoofer is highly recommended. This is almost essential to achieve truly powerful or deep bass. Without a subwoofer, the bass can be perceived as lacking, and the heavily sculpted sound might not be ideal for music, sometimes coming across as a little clinical with a slight reduction in warmth and in richness compared to older models. The Sony Bravia Theater Bar 9 is designed to be up-to-date with the most advanced audio standards, ensuring extensive compatibility with various formats, including Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. It's compatible with IMAX Enhanced, offering a powerful and dynamic audio experience at cinematic standards. In addition to these advanced formats, the Bar 9 seamlessly handles traditional surround formats, such as Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HD, Dolby Dual Mono, DTS, and many more. The Sony Bravia Theater Bar 9 is a strong choice for those seeking a top-tier soundbar with exceptional spatial sound capabilities for home cinema. Its ability to create an incredibly immersive sound experience is its primary characteristic, making it a compelling option for movie enthusiasts and gamers. However, to unlock its full potential, especially in the low-frequency range, investing in a dedicated subwoofer is almost a necessity. While its premium price and slightly less warm sound for music might be considerations, its overall performance in creating a precise and enveloping soundstage makes it a worthy upgrade for any home entertainment setup. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.